Hi, I'm Roy. In this video, I'll introduce 3 common alarms encountered during the welding process: Arcon failure alarm, Arcoff failure alarm, and welding signal detection failure alarm. Arcon failure alarm, alarm code 2902503, indicating incorrect signal detection. Please check the Arcon signal detection time. Arcoff failure alarm, alarm code 2902504, indicating incorrect signal detection. Please check the Arcoff signal detection time. Welding signal detection failure alarm, alarm code 2902508. During welding, if the signal detection is incorrect, please check the welding arc signal. Upon encountering these 3 alarms, we first need to check the cable connections. First, inspect the negative cable to ensure it is connected, securely fastened, and free of loose connections. It should be as close to the workpiece as possible to ensure conductivity. Second, check the positive cable to ensure it is correctly connected and free of loose connections. Third, inspect the communication cable. Unplug and replug the communication cable at the rear of the welding machine to ensure it is securely connected without loose contacts. Then, check the communication cable at the control cabinet end. Follow the same steps as the third step: unplug and replug to ensure a secure connection without loose contacts. Usually, following these steps will resolve the issue. If the problem persists, consider replacing the communication cable and repeating the above steps. After checking the cables, proceed to check the settings. Click on LNC, select Machinery Authority and Password 3333. Select Parameters and select Check Set. The interface includes Arcon Detect T, 5000 milliseconds. If robot does not detect a successful Arcon signal within 5 seconds, an alarm will occur. Arcoff Detect T, 1000 milliseconds. If robot does not detect a successful Arcoff signal within 1 second, an alarm will occur. Welding Detecting T, 500 milliseconds. During welding, if the arc is extinguished for more than 0.5 seconds, an alarm will occur. Unmoved Detection, 2000 milliseconds. If the robot does not move within 2 seconds after a successful Arcon, an alarm will occur. Arcon wait for signal to continue means the system will wait for a feedback signal to continue after a successful Arcon. Arcoff wait for signals to continue means the system will wait for a feedback signal to continue after a successful Arcoff. These settings are pre-configured and do not require changes. If the cause of the alarm cannot be identified shortly, you can perform the following operation: set all parameters to 0 and don't choose these 2 options to disable all detections, allowing temporary use of the robot.